Have you ever experienced the frustration of your iPhone reporting SIM card not working? For example, your iPhone displays messages like "No SIM available," "No SIM card installed," or "SIM not supported." But don't worry, we're here to help you resolve these problems and restore your iPhone to full functionality. Let's get started. Before talking about tips, you may want to know, why does iPhone SIM card not work? The first reason is an incompatible SIM card. If you're using an incompatible SIM card, your iPhone may display messages like "SIM not supported" or fail to recognize the SIM card altogether. Second, your SIM card may have tray issues. The SIM card tray in your iPhone may have accumulated dirt, dust, or debris, which can obstruct the proper insertion and functioning of the SIM card. Third, software glitches. Sometimes, software-related issues can affect the functioning of the SIM card. Outdated iOS versions or system bugs can cause SIM card errors. Next, carrier or network issues. SIM card problems can be related to your mobile carrier or network issues. Last, SIM card damage. Physical damage to the SIM card, such as scratches, bending, or a loose connection, can prevent it from functioning correctly. Inspect the SIM card for any visible damage. So the first tip is to check your SIM card. Find a SIM card eject tool to take it out. Next, use a cotton swab, brush, or other cleaner tools to clean your SIM card holder. Then, insert your SIM card again. Finally, wait for iPhone to recognize the SIM card, and the signal will back to normal. The second tip is to turn airplane mode on and off. Go to Settings to turn on airplane mode. Next, wait for a while and turn it off. The third tip is also a simple method that refreshes the system and removes most of the system glitches. Press the volume down button and side button in iPhone 10, 11, 12, 13, or later versions. If you have any other model, then just press the power button. Drag the power off slider to the right and wait until the device shuts down. Once the device has turned off, press and hold the power button again until you see an Apple logo. The fourth tip is to reset network settings. Go to Settings to find General. Choose Transfer or Reset iPhone and select Reset. Tap on Reset Network Settings. Enter your screen passcode to confirm. Your iPhone will reboot automatically. An outdated operating system of your iPhone device sometimes causes the SIM failure issue. So you have to update the iOS system to get rid of this annoying issue. Find and launch the Settings app on your device. Go to Software Update in General. Here you'll see the available updates of your iOS system. Click on the Download and Install to install that update on your device. If a new update is available from the service provider, then your device may not support the old version. But if you update your carrier settings, then the SIM failure issue is immediately resolved in this case. Open the settings of your device and go to General. Choose About. You will see an update option here if there is any. Click on their Update button if you see a notification like this. The SIM failure may also be caused by a faulty iOS system. Then you can try to repair your iPhone system with AnyFix, which is a professional iOS system repair tool, works both on Windows and Mac, and supports the latest iOS version. Firstly, connect your iPhone to the computer via a USB or Type-C cable and trust the computer. Download and launch AnyFix and click Repair Now in the System Repair feature. Choose Device Bug and click Start Now. Here are 3 repair modes. You can choose as you need. For Standard Mode, no data will be erased. After choosing, click the Repair button. AnyFix will find a suitable firmware for your iPhone. Click to download. After downloading, click Repair to fix your system issues. Finally, set up your iPhone, and done. That's all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.